Everything you need to know about meditation, Part 2. Well, prepare yourself and make sure you watch this video all the way through so you won't miss Part 2 of your meditation journey, because there are more things you should know about it. Welcome to Health Fruition, the #1 channel to help you in your health and wellness journey. In this video, we'll talk about the frequently asked questions, how to get started, and the reasons why you should meditate. Are you ready? Let's get started. There are numerous ways to define meditation. The most straightforward way to think of it is as a brain training tool for improving awareness, focus, tranquility, and good emotions. Because meditation uses a number of techniques and approaches to develop focus and awareness, calm the mind, and connect with one's own thoughts and feelings, each meditation session will change slightly from the last. Well, did you know that everyone can meditate? Here's how. First, take a seat. Find a quiet, peaceful place where you can sit. Second, set a timetable. Choose a brief period of time, such as 5 or 10 minutes if you're just starting off. Third, take note of your body. All acceptable seating positions, including kneeling, crossing your legs loosely, and sitting in a chair with your feet on the floor. Ensure that you are safe and in a position that you can maintain for some time. Fourth, observe your breathing. Pay attention to how your breath feels as it goes in and goes out of your body. Fifth, know when your thoughts have wandered. Your focus will eventually stray from the breath and go to other things. Simply bring your focus back to the breath when you eventually realize that your mind has wandered in a few seconds, a minute, or 5 minutes. Sixth, be patient with your wandering thoughts. Don't criticize or worry excessively about the ideas you get caught up in when you're lost in them. Simply return. And finally, end on a positive note. Lift your gaze when you're ready. If your eyes are closed, open them. Consider listening to any sounds that are present for a moment. Observe how your body is currently feeling. Keep an eye on your feelings and thoughts. Reasons why you should meditate. While meditation is not a remedy, it can provide your life the much-needed breathing room. Sometimes that's all we require to make better decisions for our families, communities, and ourselves. Your patience, self-kindness, and a comfortable place to sit are the most crucial resources you can bring to your meditation practice. Here are 5 main reasons to meditate. 1. Understanding your pain. 2. Connect better. 3. Lower your stress. 4. Reduce brain clutter. 5. Improve focus. To answer your questions about meditation, here are the frequently asked questions about it. How much should I meditate? Nothing about meditation is more difficult than what has already been mentioned. That's how easy it is and how difficult. It's also effective and worthwhile. The goal is to make a daily commitment to sit down, even if it's only for 5 minutes. Sharon Salzberg, a well-known meditation instructor, says, "One of my teachers once told me that the moment you sit down to meditate is the most crucial one in your practice. You are telling yourself that you believe in change and that you believe in taking care of yourself at the same moment, and you are making it true. You are actually putting a value like mindfulness or compassion as you do it." Amishi Jha, a neuroscientist, recently found that practicing meditation for 12 minutes each day for 5 days a week can build and protect your capacity for paying attention. What are the biggest misconceptions about meditation? When people first start meditating, they frequently have the following misconceptions. You can't meditate if your mind is active. Only a specific type of individual should meditate. That while you're meditating, your thoughts shouldn't wander. In order to reap the benefits, you must meditate for 1 hour each day. You can't meditate if you lack sufficient time. Where can I meditate, and can I practice meditation with friends? We may connect with ourselves and others through meditation, which is highly intimate. There truly isn't a perfect spot to meditate. You can do it while walking, sitting at your work, sleeping in bed, or even while riding a crowded train. Also, you don't have to meditate alone. Doing so with others can have many advantages. A great way to meet new people is to join in a group meditation session. Along with providing you with the opportunity to learn from others' experiences and steadily increase your level of confidence in your practice, practicing with others can help you become more motivated and enter a meditative state more quickly. What's a good meditation for beginners? One kind of meditation technique that's good for beginners is body scan meditation, which helps us check with our own bodies by mentally scanning each part. Imagine a photocopier slowly moving over us from our head to our toes, detecting any sensations in the body. As we scan down, we notice which parts feel relaxed or tense, comfortable or uncomfortable, light or heavy, and we do our best to recognize how we're feeling without judging ourselves or trying to change what we feel. Research shows that practicing regular body scans can help reduce stress-induced hormones. Want to give it a try? With our eyes closed, bring our focus to the top of our heads. Slowly begin to scan down. Spend about 20 seconds noticing how each body part feels, then move on to the next. Move from the head to the eyebrows, eyes and ears, our nose, mouth, and throat. Keep scanning down the neck and shoulders, the chest and arms, down to the toes. When we get distracted by a thought, notice it, let it go, and return our focus to the area of the body we last left off. When we finish the body scan, open the eyes. Can I practice meditation without spirituality or religion? This is a question that gets asked a lot. While Asian practices frequently place a greater emphasis on teaching practical skills and meditative methods, meditation in the West can occasionally be linked to close personal interactions with God. For instance, a Catholic prayer is a type of meditation that enables you to speak with God or other spiritual beings. Contrarily, mindfulness meditation does not require a spiritual motivation. Instead, it can be used to achieve completely secular, pragmatic goals like lowering anxiety, honing concentration, or enhancing mental clarity. Secular meditation is just as powerful as religious meditation, yet having a religious attitude or being a believer in spiritual guidance won't hurt your trip. How can I stick with meditation? We know we'll encounter the challenges we talked about here while we're learning to meditate. When they pop up, we can return to this article to refresh ourselves on the basics and tips to get back on track. The best way to set ourselves up to keep meditating is to know our intention. Why do we want to meditate? Being clear about what we want to get out of our practice, whether it's to feel happier, feel calmer, be more focused, or be less stressed, will be a big help in creating the right attitude going into it. When we start to feel bored, restless, or doubtful during practice, we can easily remind ourselves of our intention. It can be the motivation we need to keep our commitment. It might also be easier for beginners to make meditation a habit if we can remember there's no pressure to get it right. As long as we show up to take time for ourselves, we're going to do great. Even if we've missed several planned sessions and start to think, I'm not cut out for this, or we try it and think, I'm not good at meditating. Those are just thoughts. We can notice them, let them go, and get back to being kind to our minds. Enjoy yourself. Try not to see meditation as a chore. You will feel the benefits and experience the joy, so go into it with a smile and enjoy the stillness of the present moment. So, what do you think about meditation? Have you tried it before or planning to start it? Well, let us know in the comment section below. What about sharing your experiences with your fitness journey on meditation? We would love to hear from you. Also, feel free to check out our other videos and comment your video suggestions down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of new posts. Remember to take care of your health. And good luck on your fitness journey. See you next time.